This is our tutorial on managing evaluations in CocolevioHR. We will guide you through the process of editing, closing, and reopening evaluations quickly and easily. Let's begin. First, let's go over how to edit an evaluation. This is especially useful for updating job requirements or assessment criteria. Go to the Evaluations section and search for the evaluation you need to edit. Click through to view the details for your selected evaluation. At the top of the page, click on the Edit button. Now, you can make changes. Adjust the title, job description, requirements, and skills. You can also update the assessment criteria and modify questions as needed. Click on the Get Evaluation link button to save your changes. Just a heads up, if a candidate has already taken the assessment, you won't be able to edit that evaluation anymore. Next, if you have filled the position, you may want to close an evaluation. To do this, find the evaluation you want to close and click on its details. In the details, locate the status drop-down list. From there, select Closed. Once you close an evaluation, candidates will no longer be able to apply for the job. Now, you can always reopen this closed evaluation. To do this, start from the Evaluations section. Locate the closed evaluation that you want to reopen. Click on it to view the details. Now, set the status back to open using the drop-down list. After this, candidates can once again apply for the position. That wraps up our guide on managing evaluations in CocolevioHR. With these steps, you can effectively close, reopen, and edit evaluations to keep everything up to date.